नमस्कार दोस्तों, यह है सेकेंड वीडियो ऑफ द सेकेंड एपिसोड एंड वी विल गो विद द क्विज नाउ। बट बिफोर दैट आपको पता होगा कि सोमवार से लेकर शनिवार तक ये वीडियोस आते रहेंगे और इसी के वीडियोस के ऊपर रहेंगी क्विज संडे को। सो आप तैयार रहिए। जस्ट नॉट बाय यूजिंग चैट जीपीटी यू विल गेट द आंसर। यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द वीडियोस एंड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे रहेंगे जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वीडियोस में आपको मिलेंगे। सो गो विद द वीडियो प्रॉपरली। Answers may be from the fifth standard, sixth standard, or maybe from eighth and ninth. It varies, but the answers will come from the video only. So you have to go through the video itself. Don't go with ChatGPT or Chrome. अगर जा सकते हो, but you will get the answers of those questions where you can get the answers from the ChatGPT and Chrome. But those questions I will take from the video. Some of the questions I will take from the video, and that will be definitely will not give from any kind of a Chrome and ChatGPT. So you have to see the video. Which one of the following is not a sphere of the earth? इसमें से sphere of the earth कौन सा नहीं है? तो astrosphere वो नहीं है. There are the three types of layers on the earth, means lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and hydrosphere भी होता है. Four types of layers, four types of sphere होते हैं. तो उसमें क्या आता है? एटमॉस्फेयर, बायोस्फीयर, लिथोस्फीयर एंड हाइड्रोस्फीयर. और ये तीनों को मिलाकर कौन सा स्फीयर बनता है? एटमॉस्फेयर, लिथोस्फीयर एंड हाइड्रोस्फीयर को मिलाकर बनता है बायोस्फीयर. तो इसका आंसर जो है नॉट कहा था, इसलिए एस्ट्रोस्फीयर. विच गैस इज द मोस्ट अबंडेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर? सबसे अबंडेंट गैस नाइट्रोजन होता है. द हिमालयन माउंटेन्स वर फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू द कोलिजन ऑफ विच प्लेट्स? Indo-Australian Eurasian, Indo-Australian and Eurasian. Which river is known as the Sur of Bengal? Sur of Bengal किसे कहते हैं? कोसी को कहते हैं. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? 8 states से पास होता है Tropic of Cancer. And option number B. The monsoon winds are caused due to sea breeze. No, it's difference in heating of land and water. The monsoon winds are caused due to difference in heating of land and water. Heating of land and water. Option number B is the correct answer. The monsoon winds are caused due to difference in heating of land and water. Which soil is best for cotton cultivation? Cotton cultivation के लिए कौन सी soil best होती है? Black soil होती है. Which one is a Rabi crop? Rabi crop कौन सा होता है? Wheat is a Rabi crop. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Smallest ocean कौन सा है? Arctic Ocean. The major cause for the French Revolution was, major cause कौन सा था French Revolution का? फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन होने का मेजर कारण क्या था? तो हाई टैक्सेस एंड इनइक्वालिटीज. In the same way, the 1857 uprising का causes क्या थे? आपको पता होना चाहिए when you are going through the history. Who introduced the permanent settlement in India? किसने introduce किया था? Lord Cornwallis ने. The revolt of 1857 began from Meerut. Mahatma Gandhi first used satyagraha in India at Champaran. It's not Champaklal. Which movement demanded Swaraj as its major goal? Non-cooperation movement. The world's largest desert is Sahara. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Ozone layer किस में होता है? Stratosphere में होता है. Which river is the longest in India? Ganga. Which crop is known as golden fiber? Jute. Which is the leading producer of tea in India? Assam. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Japan. Name the process of wearing away the landscape by wind, water, and ice. That is option number B, erosion. The name the process of wearing away the landscape by wind, water, and ice. मतलब हवा की वजह से, पानी की वजह से और आइस की वजह से वो इरोड होता है सॉइल. द लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ गेट्स इरोडेड और उसे कहते हैं इरोजन. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. Who wrote Hind Swaraj? गांधी ने लिखा है हिंद स्वराज. The first battle of Panipat was fought in 1526. Guru Tegh Bahadur was executed by Aurangzeb. Which crop required stagnant water? Rice requires stagnant water. वहां पे पानी लगता है उसे. सबसे ज्यादा पानी राइस को ही लगता है एंड शुगर केन को भी लगता है, बट राइस को स्टैग्नेंट वाटर लगता है, ये याद रखिए. द ओल्डेस्ट माउंटेन रेंज इन इंडिया इज अरावली. which is not a conventional source of energy. Solar energy is not a conventional source of energy. The imaginary line that divides Earth into northern and southern hemisphere is equator. The rigid social system in ancient India was known as Varna. Varna was the rigid social system. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था? डलहौजी ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. बैटल ऑफ प्लासी कब हुई थी? 1857 में हुई थी. Which river forms the Sundarbans Delta? सुंदरबंस डेल्टा कौन से रिवर फॉर्म करते हैं? गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore. The longest highway in India is NH44. Tsunami is caused by earthquakes under the sea. Under the sea earthquake होते हैं और उसी की वजह से सुनामी होती है. सुनामी की स्पेलिंग पहले क्या आता है? यस आता है. आता है क्या? Which of the following is a metallurgical industry? Iron and steel. सुनामी की स्पेलिंग देख लीजिए, TSUNAMI. The Indus Valley civilization town famous for dockyard. Lothal. The Indus Valley civilization town famous for Lothal. Okay. The Gupta period is known as the Golden Age. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Chandragupta Maurya. Which state has the largest forest cover in India? Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in India. Red soil is formed from the weathering of granite. The demand of the early nationalists was administrative reforms. Which movement was launched after the failure of the Simon Commission? Civil disobedience. The practice of shifting cultivation is also known as what? Jhum. And which river is the lifeline of Sikkim? Tista is the lifeline of Sikkim. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort? किसने build किया था? शाहजहां ने build किया था. ताजमहल भी शाहजहां ने build किया था. Which state is the largest producer of coal? Jharkhand. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Haryana. The earth rotates from west to east. Okay, here we ended the quiz of the second video. So you must go with the first video and give the quiz. Thank you.